repair kit. This repair kit is for C7 and C9 parts. You can look at it. Also have many little pieces. For this repair kit, we can provide two types. Now I just show you this type. Another type is full repair kit. This one is small repair kit for C7 and C9 parts. You can also look. It has many gaskets and the plastic type and many O-rings. You can check it clear later. And also for this repair kit, we also can design the logo for you if you can buy very big quantity. Please check the packing and this little strip. Please check it. This one is for C7 and C9 arm. It has many little pieces. And also, if you don't know how to use it and where to use it, you can contact us. We will show you how to use it. The price for this full repair kit is very, very good. And we sold many about this repair kit into market.